Given the triangle, find the value of x. These are trigonometric ratios. And if they are trigonometric ratios, first of all, you need to name your sides based on this angle. And according to 60 degrees, this side is the opposite and this side is the hypotenuse. This one is easy, but this one is the adjacent. And always remember these two sides, their names depends on the angle that you're working on. That is, if you do have 60 here, this becomes the opposite and the adjacent. But if you were using this angle, this was going to be your opposite and this one the adjacent, but the hypotenuse remains the same, right? So in this case, we want to find the hypotenuse and we are given the adjacent. So the only formula that uses the hypotenuse and the adjacent, or the ratio, it's a cosine. That is, cos theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, right? So if cosine of theta is equal to adjacent over hypotenuse, then the cosine of this angle 60 degrees is equal to our adjacent 8 over hypotenuse, that is x. Right, now it's more like we do have an equation here. So we are now solving an equation. So we multiply by x both sides by x, making it easier for you to solve. Now you do have x cos 60 equal to 8. What do you do next? Remember, you are looking for x, so you divide both sides by cos 60. You divide by cos 60. Now cos 60 cancels cos 60. You get x equal to 8 over cos 60. Cos 60 is equivalent to 0.5, but you could just use your calculator. It all depends on which paper you are writing. If you're allowed to use a calculator, then you can use a calculator, but cos 60 is equal to 0.5, and 8 divided by 0.5 or divided by half, you get 16, which means side x is equal to 16 centimeters.